Okay, so I found out what our problem is. If I look at it a little closer, and I scroll up, like this one has 0, that's no good. This one, oh, it works. Works great. Well, see, the problem is, we had that whole 0 thing. So these are both red, and there's just something not right about all this. If we bring this guy out, and go to status, go to columns, and priority ID, you can see that we have 0, that's green, we have a 2 is yellow, a 3 and a 4 and a 1. So our stores are messed up at the bottom line. So let's make this 0, 1, 2, 3, and unfortunately we're going to have to go back into our grid up here. Priority. Zero, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna have to go into our crate bug, go into its priority and its store, make all these right. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's go back and load our grid. I don't know why this guy's hanging out like that. And that, we'll have to iron all that out over some time. That's no big deal. So there's low. That's high. It shouldn't be high. It needs to be medium. Once again, if we come up here and do columns, priority ID, bring him over here. Zero, 0. Set him to medium. He's still 0. Set him to high. Still 0. It's interesting. It's not posting back properly now, is it? That's green, medium. Oh, now it's doing this again. Lovely. Red hot. Okay, so I'll look into that and get back with you on that. That one has no render on it. So we're somewhat accurate on some of this stuff. That's high, that's medium. It's kind of weird. It's wonky. I don't think all the stores match. Anyways, moving on. So now we're bound up. So let's say we want to make a change to this and say it's closed. We want to save it. Let's look at that. Let's go to our submit button. We'll go back to our bug window. And we got our save button. Inadvertently dragging things I don't want to drag. So where's our save button at? There's our form. Text. I'm going to say save. Now all these guys need a name. So title, they all need names. This guy's title. This guy's status. Category. This guy's priority. This guy's description. Okay, so in our save button, We need a click event. Click on btn save form. Click. Create that. I'm going to his and var me equals this. Var form equals button dot up form. No. Okay, so here we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna give this guy an item ID. Next, we're gonna give him a reference. So this is bug form. Okay, so now in our save, form equals me dot lookup reference bug form dot get form dot submit and method post URL data bugs update bug success function form action failure function form action. Okay, now we gotta go back to our controller. And look for a function, do the same thing we've been doing before. Add a function, let process form, take form, action, success, win. That's great. So we'll go to the save button. And we're gonna say me.process form action true button dot up window. I don't think we're gonna use that, honestly. But that's okay, we'll have it if we want it. Me.process form action false button dot up window. And then we go to our function. If army this if success is true me.get view model get form get store bugs dot load else ext message dot alert. Actually, we'll do var result equals action. Actually equals json dot parse action dot response text and ext dot message dot alert, and that's result dot error result dot message. Okay, we're gonna stop here. The next video we'll put together some PHP.